Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from HUAWEI India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today, I'm going to explain about Camera Engine and show the integration steps. Camera Engine is a mobile SDK that provides a set of photographing capabilities. In this video, we will introduce Camera Engine Super Slow Motion mode and its feature to record videos in super slow motion with a frame rate of over 960 FPS in manual or automatic mode. Now, let's get coding. Open and sign in to HUAWEI developer website and go to Console, App Gallery Connect and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select Manually enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download AG-Connect services.json file. Add AG-Connect services.json file under App Directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Open project level a build.gradle file at the Maven repositories under build script and all project section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file at the latest version of Camera Kit libraries under the dependencies section. Add necessary permissions and features in Android manifest file. Open the layout XML file of the super slow demo activity. Add auto fit texture view and extended class of texture view. Add other components. Open the super slow demo activity. On activity resumes, request for the permissions. Initialize Camera Kit instance. Check if the current mode type is supported or not. Initialize the mode state callback, action data callback and action state callback. Initialize surface texture listener callback. Create the mode on Camera Kit instance. Set the current mode type as super slow motion and mode state callback. On mode state callback, get the mode characteristics and supported features. Get the supported FPS. Prepare the preview surface. Get the config builders. Set the action state callback and action data callback. Set the FPS. Call configure. On configured, start the preview. Set the parameter on current mode and call start recording and pass the file object. On recording of action state callback, get the recording states. Now the coding is complete. Let's try that. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on record once the recording completes. It will display the message and path. Check the super slow motion video recorded. You have now successfully integrated HUAWEI Camera Engine service. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit HUAWEI developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.